Hello, today I will show you guys how to replace a 3.5mm jack for a UrBeats. So what you do first is snip the jack off here at the end. Take that piece away. And what you do first is take off the section for the jack, put that on, then you snip this in half, the shrink wrap that we give you in the kit, that you can buy at joesge.com. Put that on afterwards. You take a razor blade about half inch down, cut down so you can see the wires. Then you go ahead and separate all the wires. Take some time. And in this gold wire, there's this white wire, which is the mic wire, which lets you talk to other people for communication. And so what you do is the red and gold wire and the green and gold wire and the gold one you put all together. Nice. Start rolling them up like so for good connectivity. Go ahead and strip the mic wire, because it's not stripped yet. Go ahead and take some solder paste, apply a little bit of heat to it, melts it like so, and apply each wire into where there's melted solder paste. And what I usually do is just melt a little bit so there's not a glob sticking at the end. You get some solder. You apply it, tin the wires. The jack, take out alligator clips, put that in there, take some more solder, apply solder on all 4 points of the jack. Go ahead, put the mic wire, the white wire, first. Then you take the green wire, which is for the right speaker, next. Next one. Then the red wire for the left speaker. Then the red and gold and red and green and gold for ground. And before you start shrink wrapping anything, what I like to do before is test it to see if the control talk is working. Which it is. Awesome. Go ahead and put that shrink wrap on there like so. And you take the heat gun, apply heat onto it. Try not to burn yourselves. Give it a little push. Slide that last piece on there. See if it fits on nicely. Then what you do before that is you test it again. Okay, awesome. It's working. So after you're done testing it and it works perfectly fine, what you do is grab some Loctite, apply some Loctite on there in order to keep the threads locked really nice. Then what I like to do, get some 2P10, which you can get at Fast Cab. Get some 2P10 activator, which activates the glue. Let it cool down. Go for another testing process. Perfect. And that is how you replace a 3.5mm jack for a UrBeat. Thanks for watching.